Munnu and the Rainy Day Magic. It was the summer holidays, and little Munnu was bursting with excitement. The day he had waited for all week was finally here. It was football day. The morning was warm and breezy. Birds chirped outside the window, and the smell of toast floated from the kitchen. Munnu jumped out of bed like a springy toy. He brushed his teeth in record time, gobbled down his breakfast, and wore his red and black striped football jersey, the one with a silver star on the shoulder.
Mama, I'm going to score 5 goals today.
Striking a pose with his football tucked under his arm. He had even packed his little water bottle and lemon juice, wiped his muddy shoes, and practiced his goal dance in the mirror. Everything was perfect. But just as he opened the front door, boom! A loud rumble shook the sky. Then came a second boom, followed by the soft sound of something tapping on the window. Munnu stepped towards the window and looked out. Big fat raindrops came tumbling down from the sky like jumping beans. Within minutes, the street was a sea of puddles. Water streamed down the windows. A leaf floated by in a muddy swirl. Mama looked at her phone and sighed.
Oh dear. The football ground is flooded, Munnu. No match today.
No match?
He stood still for a moment, watching the rain.
But I practiced so hard. I even packed my own snacks.
He slowly walked back inside, his shoulders drooping like wet socks. His football bag went back on its hook. His shoes sat unlaced on the doormat. Munnu flopped onto the couch with a big sigh.
I don't like the day. It was supposed to be the best.
The rain kept pouring and the clock ticked softly. Even the fan sounded like it was spinning slowly out of sympathy. Munnu looked around, feeling a little bit empty and a lot disappointed. Then, out of the corner of his eye, he noticed something on the wall. A bright yellow sun sticker with crayon rays and a smiley face. He remembered the day he made it, with Nani, long ago. He had been sad that day too, and it had just rained like this.
When the sun hides outside, we call it from the inside.
She had taught him a beautiful, powerful prayer, the Gayatri Mantra. Munnu sat up, straightened his back like Nani had showed him, placed his hands gently in his lap and whispered,
Om Bhur Bhuvah Swaha Tatsya Vitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
The room didn't change, but something inside him did. The tight, twisty feeling in his tummy loosened. His shoulders didn't feel so heavy. And suddenly, he saw the day a little differently. His eyes wandered to his shelf. There were his building blocks. He spotted his craft box peeking out from under the bed. And his soft toy ball near the corner. Munnu stood up and smiled.
Okay, maybe I can have a match in the living room.
He built a mini goalpost with 2 chairs, lined up teddy bears as the audience. Mama giggled when she saw him balancing a toy trophy. They even made a rainbow out of colored paper and stuck it on the window, just above the rainy clouds. Munnu didn't score 5 goals that day, but he did kick 5 softballs into his chair goal. He did laugh, and he did feel warm again, like there was a little sun glowing inside him. As the rain gently tapped on the glass, Munnu whispered to himself,
Thank you, Gayatri Mantra. You brought back my happy day.
The Gayatri Mantra reminds us that when the outside world feels gloomy or plans fall apart, we can still find joy and light from within. With calm breaths and kind thoughts, even rainy days can turn into bright adventures.
Prarthana for kids by kids.